Ekpe is just a bush. Don't invest in Ekpe. Nothing is ever going to happen in Ekpe. Hold up. Yes, I'm talking to you. Hold up. Before you join in with these claims, let me open your eyes to reality. Ekpe is not the Ekpe you used to know. As I speak, Lagos is shifting its focus. And guess where it's heading to? You already know the answer. Straight to Ekpe. And let me tell you why owning a property here is the smartest move you will ever make. First off, when we talk amenities, new estates with everything you need, street lights, well-paved road, clean water, and even smart homes wey go make you feel like say you dey live for big man area, but without the stress. Investing here means no more struggling with bad infrastructures, cause you have everything you need right at your doorstep. And you sabi cheap market goods ba? Ekpe na the real deal when it comes to getting fresh and affordable items. Ekpe is famous for its bustling local market. And I'm not just talking about any local market too. The fish market in Ekpe is legendary. You want fresh, affordable products, right? Fresh fish right from the boat. You get to own everything at a price that will make you wondering why you've been spending so much elsewhere. It's like having a luxury lifestyle on a budget. And wait for it. Cheap rent. Compared to the skyrocketing prices in Lekki, Aja, and some areas in mainland, rent in Ekpe is still super affordable whether you are looking for a modest house or a chic apartment. Ekpe gives you top-notch options without draining your pocket. So why pay more when you can live in a serene environment with all the modern amenities at a fraction of the cost? I mean, Ekpe offers you comfort and style wey no go tear your pocket at all. Now let's get serious. Ekpe no be your regular area. With major developments like Alaro City, Dangote Refinery, and Lekki International Airport. Imagine living in a town that is just minutes away from the international airport. It means say your property go just dey appreciate in value. Trust me, Ekpe is a pure gold mine. Now let's talk facts. The Lekki-Ekpe Expressway. That road alone has given Ekpe the perfect VIP ticket to the future. And with the Lagos State government fully backing infrastructure projects, new highway, bridges, and world-class facilities are being laid out like red carpet. Now let me sweeten the deal. Ekpe is so affordable. I'm talking prices that will make you rethink ever calling it a bush. For those smart investors snagging up properties now, trust me, this place is the future cash cow. So don't sleep on it. You see how Aja, Lekki, and Banana Island used to be far. That's exactly what people said some years ago. But look at it now. Bustling with major developments that is making properties skyrocket. And you are still there wondering how to jump on this opportunity without premium stress. Well, you don't need to worry yourself because at landproperty.ng, we've got you covered like pros. We specialize in helping Nigerians in diaspora and of course Nigerians in Nigeria to secure property here without premium wahala. We are your go-to experts when it comes to property investment. Trust me, with us, you can just sit back, relax, and watch your investments grow like fine wine. From checking land title to signing documents and even payments plan, we are here for you from start to finish. No go reading am too long o. We get all the connect and experience wey you need to secure your own piece of Ekpe. Whether na for living or investment, landproperty.ng go make sure say you enter this real estate game like a real pro, no shaking. And oh, did I mention that we are launching a comprehensive course on due diligence soon? This course will open your eyes on how to investigate properties very well before investing. And promise from landproperty.ng. And like I said earlier, we specialize in helping Nigerians in diaspora and of course Nigerians in Nigeria to make smart future-proof investments right here without stress. So call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen right now to reach out to us for more details. And before you go, we've got other amazing content you love. So be sure to check the next video and the recommended ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, and leave a comment with your thoughts below.